All right, here, if you choose, I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your phone. Again, this option is only if you want to. You're going to dial *720. You have incom ring. You have internal, external. We're going to go 2. And you have a tone or melody. I'm going to hit 2 for melody. The options are 1 through 5. I'm going to hit 5. And it says setting complete. I'm going to exit. Setting complete. And then we're going to hit speaker to hang up. Okay. If you don't like that one, again, it's *720. Again, I'm going to go back to external 2. I'm going to try 2 again. Last time we did 5, I'm going to do 4. I'm going to hit speaker. *720. External. Melody 3. Okay, and that's how you just navigate it. Now, I like *720. I like 2. I like the melody. And I'm going to stick with 4. Setting complete. That is how you set up your ringtone.